In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership site in Kartra. We'll walk through everything from logging in to publishing your portal, so you can confidently set up a clean, branded experience for your members. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kartra. Click the official Kartra website to avoid any lookalike pages, then log in with your account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the membership section. This is where you'll create and manage your members-only content. Click the Plus Membership button to begin. Give your membership a clear, memorable name that matches your offer. Choose the sidebar design option if you want easy navigation for lessons, and click Create. Next, look for the Membership Details area and click Change. Here, update the description so visitors know exactly what they'll get. Link to your sales or promotional page to drive signups, and upload a compelling photo or cover image to help your portal look professional. Under Protection, set password protection to Yes. This ensures only people with valid login credentials can access your content, which is essential for paid programs. Now, click Content and then Launch Builder. Choose a layout style for your portal that matches your brand and the way your audience learns. Customize the appearance by adding your logo, setting your brand colors for headers and accents, and styling the marquee or top banner, so the space feels on brand right away. In the sidebar area, you can add an instructor bio, social media links, featured posts, or promotional banners for other offers. These optional elements help build trust and guide members to what matters most. Create your main categories to represent course modules like Week 1, Fundamentals, and then add posts within each category for individual lessons. For each post, include a clear name, a short description, and choose an icon that indicates the content type, such as video, text, or file. Open each post and drag in the elements you need: Kartra-hosted videos, text blocks, images, and download buttons for worksheets or resources. Keep your lesson titles and descriptions consistent, so members always know what to expect. Set up access levels by creating tiers such as Bronze, Silver, and Gold, then toggle which posts each level can view. Enable progress tracking to display a completion bar, and turn on linear progression if you want members to complete lessons in order. Decide whether to allow comments on lessons for community engagement and feedback. Finally, enable the welcome email so new members automatically receive their login details, and when everything looks good, click Publish. Your membership site is now live and ready to welcome your audience.